Yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Ken of Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. So today I welcome you all to a new tech video episode on my noble and humble channel. Here we always talk about positive vibes and negative vibes. So a lot of people have been contacting me about cyber theft. People have been robbing them day in day out, and today I want to do video about things. This video is basically for business owners. If you are a small business owner or a company owner or a top company owner in Ghana, so this how people have been frauding you without you knowing it. Lots of people have been frauding this top companies and small businesses in Ghana, and they don't know how their money keep on vanishing from their mobile money wallet. And this how they do it. You have to pay attention, pay critical attention, and listen to this very well, because a lot of people have been a victim of this, and they don't know how the money disappear from their mobile wallet account. So this how they do it. And if you find such ads, I'll also do video on my next video how you can freeze their accounts and withdraw your money fast to your mobile money wallet. But this thing, I want to show you the tricks they use to fraud you. So this is how they do it. They will visit your company, or let's say your small business. Let's say you sell rice or you sell something, and you say that, oh, mobile money is allowed. Yeah, more money is allowed. And this basically they use this tricks for on people who are a little bit illiterate when it comes to internet and online thing. Yeah, this is how they do it. So let's assume you are a business owner, you sell, let's say, bags, and I'll come to you and I'll be like, oh, I want to buy a bag, but I don't have money on me. I hope you accept mobile money. I know you go like, yeah, I accept mobile money, because you want to be a professional thing, and this how they will get you. So they will pay you. Let's say they said, okay, well, how much is the bag? You'll be like, okay, the bag is, let's say, 1,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, they say, okay, yeah, but I don't have physical cash on me, so let me send you 1,500 so that you balance me 500 cedis. So they'll send you 1,500 for you to balance them 500 cedis. Yes, for you to send them 500 cedis. So this is how they will do it. So after sending you the 1,500, you see that you get alert that someone has transferred 1,500 into your account. So you receive the alert and you do it. And when they leave your office or when they leave your premises, they will report A to MTN that they did a wrong transaction. And this is how MTN will be like, if they report that act to, like, if you report that act to them, they will send you a message that someone has reported you to them, that like some wrong transaction and things. So they want you to also was cooperate and tell your side of the story, because you don't know much about it. You'll not even read the message. So 3 days later, they will withdraw or they will reverse the money back to him. I hope I'm making sense over here. That's how they do it. They will send you the 1,500, or they will send you the amount. So you see that, okay, more money wallet is credited with 1,500 or blah 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 blah. You see it that is in your account, right? So you give them what they need. So when they leave your place, they report it to MTN that they did a wrong transaction, and MTN will send you some message that someone has reported you to them that like wrong transaction, blah 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 blah. For you to also cooperate to them and tell them that nah, this how the person behaved, because the person want to fraud you, so they will call you and they call the person. But because you don't know much about these things, you even ignore their messages. So when MTN waits for let's say 3 days and you haven't respond to their message, then they will take action. They will reverse the money in your account straight to the person who reported the apps, because they will be like, okay, it's a sign of fraud. You are trying to fraud that person, so they will reverse that person money back to him. So please, if you are a corporate or if you're a business owner who accepts mobile money, you have to take this content very serious. You have to take this video very serious. This how they are behaving right now. They'll be in your company. Let's say you sell iPhones. How much is the iPhone? You'll be like, oh, it's 5,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, but I don't have physical cash. Oh, I have my money on my wallet. You will like, okay, then send the money to me. The person will send the money to you, and you see the alert that the money is in your account, and you will give the person the mobile phone, the iPhone. So when the person leave your place, the person report to MTN that he mistakenly do a wrong transaction or wrong transfer to this number. So please reverse the money back to me. So MTN will chat you. If you don't respond to their message, in 3 days later, MTN will reverse the money from your account to that particular person. And I don't know how MTN investigation people, how they do the investigation before they do these things, because a lot of people have been a victim of this. Some people like, oh, like my money always vanish from my account, I don't know the reason why, blah blah blah. They don't know that this is what is going on. That's the more reason why I'm doing this video. So if you are a business owner, you have to take this video very very serious, because this is how these fraud people are doing. That's how they are using their mind towards always like take your money, because like although it's not like they didn't withdraw your money, they withdraw back their money, but they have an item that worth more than the money they sent to you. So you have to take these things serious. And if you want to know how you will freeze that person's accounts immediately, you can chat me on the number on my screen or in my description. I can show you all these kind of things, because like if you're a big business owner or a small business owner, you have to take these things serious, especially if you accept mobile money payments. Because recently, a lot of people accept mobile money payments, and day in day out, most of their money are vanishing, and they don't know how. They even think that MTN is like withdrawing their money. How like, MTN will never withdraw your money. MTN will never withdraw your money. You have to take MTN's messages very serious. When you receive a message from MTN, you have to click on it and read it. Read what they send to you. You have to read it very well. You have to read it very well. You have to take MTN messages very, very well, because this how these people are using their mind to withdraw people's money without their notice, without them knowing. Or they will know that, oh, this amount have been deducted from your account, amount have been deducted from your account, blah 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 blah. They don't know how the money even deducted from their account, where like it went to, they don't know. So I think this video will help you. This video will help solve all these things. Because and when you see ads like that, you have to freeze that particular person account immediately before things will get worse. You have to what? Freeze that person's account immediately before things will get out of hand. Please. Cause like I've received a lot of messages about these things. People will chatting me, bro, like I don't know my money I've been blah blah, so help me out. When the person withdraw the money, no one can help you, even MTN can't help you. So you have to what? Protect your account very well. You have to protect the account very well. Nobody can help you. So prevention is better than cure. Don't wait for your money to vanish before you will protect your accounts. You have to protect your accounts now before it's too late. I hope you will take this video very serious, and if you don't understand anything, you can chat me and I will educate you more. Although I'm not a worker from MTN or Airtel or Vodafone, but I'm sharing my ideas about tech and how you can protect your account from this fraudulent people, from this fraud people. Please, because it's very it's very sad for you to earn your own money and someone will use just 1 minute to withdraw or to withdraw your money from your account. It's very sad. And one thing about this is these fraud people, they are illiterate. They don't have any education background. Their English are not even good, and they will use their foolish sense to withdraw your money. So don't fall victim towards these things. If you need much knowledge about these things, you can chat me and I will sort you out on that. Please take this video very serious before it's too late. The name's still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, and I think I'm done. I'm out. Thank you.